Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you motions and gestures on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. The basic motions and gestures will be explained, and the first I'm gonna cover the ones that will apply both to the phones that have these navigation buttons at the bottom set and to the phones that have a gesture bar at the bottom. And then I'm gonna show you how to change these navigations and how to navigate them. The first thing is home screen. On the home screen, you can swipe up to access the app library. Here are all of the apps you have on your phone, and on the home screen are just the apps that are added from the app library to the home screen. When you swipe here, you open Google Feed, so we can quickly access Google News or other things. When you swipe down from the top, you have the notification panel and quick shortcuts. When you swipe down again, you have detailed shortcuts. You can swipe through the pages of these shortcuts, click on them, or on some you can press and hold. For example, the screen recorder, and it will open screen recording settings. To go back to the home screen, click on this button if you have this navigation style. Now I'm gonna cover the navigation style. These are buttons. This is a back button, so you're gonna go back just one page within an app. This always goes to home screen, and this goes to recently opened apps, and you can swipe through them. To see which are opened, you can click on them to enter them, or you can swipe them up to close them. Now I'm gonna show you how to change to the navigation bar, to the gesture navigation bar. To do it, go to General Management, then click on Navigation bar and set it to swipe gestures. And now, instead of a home button, you need to swipe up. To go to the recents, swipe and hold. And to go back, instead of back button, you can just swipe from the right or from the left side. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.